Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and a happy new year 2019. I can't believe how quickly 2018 went. Does anyone else feel like 2018 went really quickly? Because I feel like it just like flew by. It feels like as you get older, the weeks and the months and the years just like fly by, and now we're in 2019. I took a little bit of a break from YouTube last month, so I didn't film all of December, and it was also my birthday as well. But yeah, I am back now, and I'm just wanting to give you a quick motivational video. I did one like this last year. I'll put the link down below in case you want to watch that. But this one is going to be 3 things me and you aren't bringing into 2019. There's a lot of things that we shouldn't be bringing into 2019 anyway, but I feel like these are the 3 things that I need to, like, you know, get rid of kind of thing, or do less of, right? But yeah, so the first thing, and I think I mentioned this in the last video as well, in last year's video, but I think I need to reiterate this one. So negative energy, negative people, negative situations, anything like that, we are leaving that in 2018 and we are not bringing that into 2019. I feel like as I get older, the people around me, I just want to narrow it down a little bit. I feel like I just don't want drama in my life. I don't want negative energy in my life, and if you're negative, or if I feel like you've got bad intentions or anything like that, I'm just gonna start distancing myself. And you should do that too. If you feel like someone is just not your cup of tea, or you know, you're just not getting along with that person, or a situation, you're not feeling that situation, just distance yourself from that situation a little bit. I feel like I just started doing that a lot more. I feel like I need people around me that makes me feel good about myself, you know, people that I can be myself around fully, 100%, feel like there's no judgment. And if I feel like I can't do that with you, I feel like I just need to distance myself from you a little bit, just distance myself and just make space for people who I can feel and be my authentic self with, because I'm a crazy girl. If you know me in person, then you know that I'm quite crazy, but I feel like my crazy side doesn't come out until I feel like I am 100% comfortable with you. Right, so the next one is knowing who you are and where you want to go. So I am in my mid-20s and I feel like I need to start, probably should have done this a couple years ago, but I need to start knowing who I am and knowing where I want to go. And I feel like I've got like an image in my head of who I want to be and where I want to go. For me, it's just finding the steps to get to where I want to be and who I want to be. So for you guys who are watching this, try and think about how future you looks like and what makes future you happy, you know? I feel like we need to, as the years go by and as we're getting older, we need to like just think about who we are and who we want to be and where we are and where we want to be, because I know that this time next year I do not want to be where I am right now, in every sense. I don't want to be where I am right now. I want to be bettering myself. I just need to find out the steps that I need to take to get there, and hopefully this time next year, when I'm doing another video for 2020, then I can be like, yeah, I am where I want to be and I am who I want to be. Recently I have been having a lot of I love my body moments, and that for me is a big thing. Like, I never thought I would be at a stage in my life where I'm feeling like I love my body, but I've been taking quite a few underwear selfies and I'm just like, not for like anyone else's eyes, but for my eyes, and for me to be, just to remember how I felt in that moment when I took that picture, and I felt like, you know, I look good, I feel good. And also guys, you need to remember as well that this body that you're in right now is probably going to be the best it's ever going to look, because it's, as we get older, it's not going to look the same anymore. So you need to like start appreciating the body that you're in and just, you know, love on it. But yeah, back to my point, just knowing who you want to be and where you want to be. I think that's what we should be bringing into 2019. And the last thing is procrastination. So this is one more thing that we are not taking into 2019. I mean, yes, some days you want a bit of, you know, lazy day, and I am a big advocate of lazy days. I probably have a bit too many of them. I had a lot of them from October to December, probably a bit too many lazy days, but I procrastinate a lot. I even procrastinated when it came to filming this video. But I'm doing it now. But yeah, so procrastination, just like doing everything else apart from what you're meant to be doing, basically. So me and you both, because I'm pretty sure that you're probably a procrastinator too, but me and you both need to stop procrastinating. We need to leave that in 2018, get things done. I find that I am most productive when I do a to-do list. When I do a to-do list, I feel like there's some kind of pleasure, satisfaction, pleasure or satisfaction from crossing off the things that I have managed to do in that day. Yeah, it literally feels amazing to know that you have not procrastinated, but you've actually done what you set out to do for that day. So yeah, procrastination. So those are the 3 things that we are not bringing into 2019. So yes, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of it, and let me know what things you are not bringing into 2019 down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video.